Welcome back to our channel One to Step everybody, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how you guys can activate public bank's credit card online. It's pretty simple, so follow the steps. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, hit that subscribe to our channel with notification turned on. Let's move on. So the first thing is you want to go to this website called pbebank.com. Make sure you write this pbebank.com. Now once you search for it, it's going to take you to the official website of public bank. Now once you're over here at the top right, you can see the login button. You want to click on login and it's going to show you all these options. From all these options, choose the first one where it shows you PBE. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you to this page. And over here where it says user ID, enter the user ID of your public bank's online banking account. Click on next. Once you do that, it's going to ask you for the password of your account. And after you enter the password of your account and log in into your public bank's online banking account, once you're inside your online banking account of public bank, there's going to be a credit card section. You want to go to the credit card section and enter your credit card info and activate it. That's how you guys can activate your public bank credit card, by going inside the online banking account of public bank and from inside there activating your card. So that's how you guys can do it. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel One to Step. I'll see you guys next time.